Welcome to the BREMSS eLearning enrollment tutorial. We're going to go over some key points on what you'll need to know in order to access the eLearning system. You will receive an email from Auzmor Learn. You will need to click on the link located in that email. You'll be taken to a website. Your first, last name, and email address are pre-filled into that document. Enter your password information based on the rules and hit submit. You'll need to go to your dashboard, click on the upper right corner where your initials are, go to settings. We need you to go into this area in order to fully complete your profile before you complete any courses. Give us a good contact number. Give us a good job title, whether it's paramedic, EMT, etc. Your EMSP level, as recognized by either the state or national registry. Your state license number if applicable, your national registry number also. Please also let us know what region you will be performing your primary EMS responsibilities in. And finally, please let us know what agency you work for in the last entry box. Once you enter this information, just click Save and your profile is updated. You may now go back to your dashboard. From here, if you're here to take the ADPH protocol course, click on Library, then click on Paths. The protocol course is a series of courses built into what's considered a learning path, made up of multiple courses. You'll need to make an 80% on the exam at the end of the course in order to get the certificate. Once you click Enroll into the path, you'll be taken to another screen where you'll be given the option to launch the course. Click Launch Course, it will take you to your course. If at any time you need to leave, it will bring you back to the point where you left off. While you have access to the system, feel free to take advantage of the other courses located in the library at no cost.